Welcome to the SDA Pipeline tutorial video. Pipelines were introduced in SDA 513 and come as an additional option under the Management menu. We're going to take a quick look at how we can set up a pipeline and deploy across it. Here I have an application called Pipeline App 1, which consists of 3 separate environments. I'm going to create a new pipeline, which I'll call Pipe 1. I'll specify the pipeline description, and I will also make this an auto promote pipeline. Now I'm going to select 2 of my environments out of 3 that I'm going to define as being part of my pipeline. I'll now save that. And if we go back to the application, we can now specify this new pipeline that I've created. And immediately we can see now what a pipeline achieves. The Pipe 1 pipeline has now collected together these 2 environments, which means that we can deploy across these 2 environments. So I'm going to request a process at the dev environment. I'm going to specify version 3. Currently version 1 is deployed on the QA, at the dev environment, and the QA environment has nothing deployed against it at the moment. So I'm going to submit. We can see firstly that this process is running against the dev environment. If I just view the deployment request, we can see that in fact there are 2 requests being made, going to these 2 different environments. And in fact, if we go back to the application, we can see that in fact v3 has now deployed against dev and against the QA environments. This was a very quick overview of the pipeline functionality and how we can use it to set up a pipeline of environments to deploy against. Please do take a look at the related KB article, which will take you through setting up your own deployment through a pipeline. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.